Changing the language in the Afterpay app can help you navigate the app more comfortably. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings. Step 1. Open the Afterpay app. Launch the Afterpay app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Look for the account icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Find language options. Scroll through the settings menu until you find the language option. This may be listed under a section like Preferences or General. Step 4. Select your preferred language. Tap on the language option to see a list of available languages. Choose your preferred language from the list. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your desired language, make sure to save your changes. The app may refresh or restart to apply the new language settings. Now you can enjoy using the Afterpay app in your preferred language. If you have any issues, consider checking the app's help section or contacting customer support.